of the election. We have also sought to corroborate this evidence with the evidence provided by Irene Masit, who is a commissioner, who testifies at paragraph 26 of her affidavit that the reason why the votes or the election was cancelled in those areas was because the commission procured the wrong ballot papers. This is a mistake that Irene Masit, a commissioner...
May I, please, may I, with your very kind permission, Chief Justice, draw the attention of the court that there may be on record more than one affidavit by Ms. Masit. To the extent that the affidavit that my learned colleague refers to is an affidavit filed by the petitioner, we have no objection. However, to the extent that that is an affidavit filed in the document by Issa Mansour, whose documents our understanding of yesterday's ruling is, was struck out by the court alongside his notice of appearance, then there ought not to be a reference to that affidavit.
Yes, I think Counsel clarify the affidavit she's referring to.
I will clarify to that. Sorry. My lady, I hope the time will be restored to me. My learned senior.
There is an error that was stated by my colleague, Professor Githu Muigai. The ruling by this honorable court struck out the notice of appointment of Advocate Barisa, not anything else. That is what I heard with my own ears.
If I may please interrupt you
Counsel,
yet again.
please, without wasting a lot of time, we are capable of discerning what we meant with our own ruling. Let her identify the affidavit she is referring to, and when you are responding, then you deal with the issues that you are raising.
I appreciate that, my Lady Chief Justice. But I think if we proceed beyond this point without a common understanding by all the advocates as to what was the consequence of striking out the notice of appearance, then many on this side may make reference to those documents filed by Issa Mansour. To my own understanding of the law, once the notice of appointment was struck out, all consequential filings based on that were null and void and expunged from the record.
Proceed.
My ladies and my lords, that issue can be put to rest very simply. The affidavit that I refer to by Irene Masit is drawn and filed by MS Mutembei and Associates Advocates. I believe each of the commissioners had a right and did appoint their own advocates in response to the petition. And that is what I am referring to. So Malanid Senior is lost on that one. If I may proceed now. My lady, I do refer to the affidavit now of Irene Masit at paragraph 26 of her affidavit, where she depones that the chairperson